Everybody say hi. Everybody say hi.
Yo, let me tell you about that Tutu ride in Kukup. That thing was wild. Like a lawnmower on steroids, and said, let's go full fast and furious. Kukup edition. We were rolling through the narrowest little back alleys. I swear that Tutu was doing Tokyo Drift between someone's toilets and aunties hanging laundry. Every corner felt like a boss level in Mario Kart. And the best part? The driver was just chilling. It was fun, chaotic, and absolutely beautiful. Man, Kukup got that kind of charm, like grandma's house, but with lawnmower on steroids. The locals are not very friendly to tourists. But nah, the group was one of us. Same riding group. And yeah, I was the fool who told the Tutu driver to lay on that horn. Non-stop. Whole Kukup probably thought a wedding parade was coming through. My bad. But also, totally worth it. See you on the next ride. Sayonara.